Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting review video. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge audio technology with the Lenovo Thinkplus Earphone XT60B wireless Bluetooth sport headphones. These sleek and powerful earphones are the perfect companion for your active lifestyle, delivering crystal-clear sound and top-notch features that will take your listening experience to the next level. First off, let's talk about the impressive Bluetooth 5.3 technology that's packed into these earphones. With the latest Bluetooth connectivity, you can say goodbye to tangled wires and enjoy seamless, wireless audio playback. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just lounging at home, the Lenovo Thinkplus Earphone XT60B will provide you with the freedom and convenience you need to stay connected and focused on your activities. But it doesn't stop there. These earphones also feature intuitive touch controls and noise reduction technology, allowing you to effortlessly manage your music and calls while blocking out unwanted external noise. The inclusion of earhooks ensures a secure and comfortable fit, so you can move and groove without any fear of slippage. And let's not forget about the waterproof design, which makes these earphones perfect for outdoor adventures and intense workouts. No need to worry about sweat or the occasional rain shower. The Lenovo Thinkplus Earphone XT60B can handle it all with ease. But the real star of the show is the exceptional sound quality that these earphones deliver. With powerful drivers and advanced audio processing, you'll experience rich, dynamic sound that truly elevates your favorite tunes. Whether you're into hip-hop, rock, pop, or anything in between, the Lenovo Thinkplus Earphone XT60B will do justice to your music collection. So, if you're ready to take your audio experience to new heights, I highly recommend checking out the Lenovo Thinkplus Earphone XT60B wireless Bluetooth sport headphones. Trust me, once you experience the freedom, versatility, and exceptional sound quality that these earphones offer, you won't want to go back to traditional wired headsets. If you're interested in picking up a pair for yourself, be sure to click the link in the description below to grab your own Lenovo Thinkplus Earphone XT60B. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews and recommendations.